Làm sao mà mở to ra này Chi?
Hi, Chi. Good evening.
Good evening Chi nè.
Yes, good evening. Where's Chi, Mom?
Hello teacher. Mở đó.
Hello,
Hi,
teacher.
Chi. Can you hear? Yes, hello. Can you hear, teacher?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Is my voice clear? Okay. Can you
Yeah.
see, teacher? Yes. Okay. So, how are you? Are sad?
Happy.
Wow.
Happy.
Wow. Very good. Okay. Teacher Jenny is happy too because. So, Chi, what day is today? Today is what day
Monday.
is today?
Ano?
Yes,
Thursday.
yes, say it. Say it. Today, today.
Thursday.
Okay.
Monday.
Yes, yes. Today is Monday.
Monday.
I'm sorry. Today is Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yes, today is Tuesday. How's the weather like in your place today? How's the weather?
What
Is it sunny? Is it sunny? Rainy? Windy? How's the weather? Rainy? Rainy.
Yes.
Okay.
Rainy.
Okay. The weather for today is rainy day.
The,
The weather
the weather
for
today
today
for today
is
is
rainy day.
rainy day.
Yes, yes.
Rainy day.
Yeah. You said it's
Rainy day.
rainy. Yes. Okay.
Rainy day.
Did you go to school today? Hmm? Did you go to school today? Yes? No? Why? Hmm? Why?
Yes.
Ah, yes. Say, yes, I did.
Yes.
I did.
Yes, I did.
Okay, very good. Okay, Chi, are you ready with our lesson for tonight? Are you ready? Hmm? Are you ready? Hmm?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Another.
Yes, I'm ready. Very good. Okay. So, last week, we talked about different colors, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you tell teacher what are those colors? What are those
What
colors?
are the colors?
Yes. What are those colors? Color.
Mm.
What are those colors that we talked last time? Colors.
Okay.
Okay.
Orange. Purple.
Orange.
Pink.
Purple.
Pink. Brown.
Brown. Okay, very good. Okay,
Hey,
so those
hey,
are the
hey.
huh? Yeah.
Red.
Red,
Blue.
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 Yes.
Yellow.
Mhm. What else?
Yeah.
Yellow.
Green.
Yes. Green. Yellow, green. Okay, very good. Okay, good job, Chi. Okay, so this time our lesson is all about lesson 3. Okay, this one here. Okay, let's read, Chi. Lesson 3, story. This one.
Look and listen.
Yes, continue, please.
I don't know. I don't know.
Read
Breathe
along.
along.
Look
It's
and look. Yeah.
look and listen. Listen along.
Read,
Listen along.
read along. Okay, read along. Okay, so you
Listen
are going,
along.
yes. Okay, you are going to listen, Chi.
And
Page
listen
26.
along.
Lesson 3. Story. A. Look and listen. Read along.
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine.
Hi, Danny.
Hey.
How are you? I'm
There
okay.
you are. Thank you.
Here you are. Thank you.
How are you?
Yes, very
I'm
good.
fine.
are
Thank
you?
you.
I'm fine.
Thank you. Thank you.
Page
Thank you.
26.
Yes. Okay,
Lesson
so here, Chi, look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? What can you see?
Hey,
Hmm?
how old are you?
Yeah.
I'm okay.
Yes. Okay, can you still remember them? Who's this one here? Huh?
It's Emma.
Is that Emma?
Julie.
Julie, very good. How about this?
Danny.
Danny, this one. And this one?
And
Emma.
Danny.
Yeah, Danny
And
and
Mike.
okay, very good. So this one is Julie, Emma, Danny, and Mike. How
Mike.
about this one here? What are these?
Loon.
Balloons. Yes, balloons. Can you tell? Can you name the colors of the balloons? Tell the colors of the balloons.
Red. Green. Yellow. Blue.
Yes, very good. So the colors of balloons are red, green, yellow, and blue. Okay, so this time we are going to read this one sheet. Okay, please read.
Hi, Danny. How old are you? I'm okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, here, please read here.
How old are you?
This one.
Thank you.
This
Hi.
one. Here you are. Here
Here
you are.
you are. Here you are. Thank you.
This one.
Mm. What?
How are
Are
you?
you?
Okay, how are
How
you?
are you?
Yes.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, very good. So, how about you, Chi? How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. Okay, very good.
Michelle,
Yeah? Yes?
how old are you?
Huh? How are you? Okay, teacher is fine, Chi. Teacher is fine. Okay? I'm great. I'm great. Okay. Okay, Chi, so this time we are going to sing. Okay, do you like to sing a song? Do you like to sing?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes? Okay, very good. Okay, you listen first.
Page 27. B. Sing. I'm okay.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay.
Here
Here
you
you
are.
are.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Okay, G, can you sing the song? Can you sing the song? Teacher can. Okay. Can you sing a song? Hi, how are you? Ready, sing.
Hi. How are you? I'm okay.
Here you are.
Here you are. Hi. What's your name? I'm okay. Here you are. Thank you.
See, what's your name? Hi, how are you?
Hi. How are you? I'm okay. Here you are. Thank you.
You very good. Okay, let's do the clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3.
Say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
3. Very good, very good.
Hey, this is a. Hi, what's your
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? I'm okay. Here you are. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Good job, Chi. Very good. Okay, so this time we are going to uh, let's read letter C. Ask and answer.
Ask and answer.
Yes, so we are going to listen.
Page 27. C. Ask and
C.
answer.
How are
And
you?
answer. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. Okay, how are you? I'm fine,
I'm fine,
thank
thank
you.
you.
Okay. Again, say it again. Say it again, Chi.
How are you?
Ah, how are you? How are you?
you?
Again,
How
say it again.
are you?
Yes.
How are you?
This one.
How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, very
How
good.
are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Yes, very good. So, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, so we're done here, Chi, in lesson 3, okay? So, let's move on to lesson 4.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Yeah, for them.
Alphabet.
X Y Z. Say
Okay.
and sing.
Yeah, say and sing. Okay, so our lesson is phonics. Okay, this one, phonics.
Phonics.
Yes, phonics. Okay.
Page 28. Lesson 4. Phonics. A. Say and sing. The alphabet.
Yeah.
H. Alphabet. The alphabet. The alphabet. The alphabet. The alphabet. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P.
U-R-S.
Q. R. S. W. X. Y. Z. A. B. C.
F.
H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. U. V. X. Y. Z.
Y-Z.
Alphabet.
The alphabet. The alphabet. Okay, Chi, so this time we are going to learn.
A
Yes?
B C
Yeah?
D E G S I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Yeah, correct. S Y Z.
Okay, very good, G. So this evening we are
Teacher.
going to, yeah,
Teacher.
we are going to learn these letters. Okay, what letter is this? Can you tell, teacher? What letter is this? Letter? Letter H. Okay, this one.
H-I-J.
Okay, very good. So we are going to learn about the letters H, I, and J.
S-I-N-G.
J, J,
J.
H,
H.
I,
I.
J.
J.
Okay.
Hat. Hat.
Listen,
Page
point,
28.
and say.
B. Listen,
What
point,
is this?
and say. 1,
H. Hat.
2,
I. Insect.
Insect.
3,
J. Jam.
Okay.
Page
G.
28. B.
Hat. Insect.
Yes. Listen, point, and say. Okay, number 1. Letter. What letter is this? Letter?
Hat.
Okay, yes. Letter H sound. Okay.
Hat.
Sound. What's the sound of letter H? What's the sound? H.
Hat.
Yes. This one is hat.
Insect.
Yes. And what letter?
Insect.
Yes. E.
J. Insect.
Yeah. And number 3?
J. Jam.
Okay, very good. So can you tell teacher what letter is this? This one here, number 2, what letter? Letter?
J.
Number 2. Letter? E is the sound. That is the sound. Okay, that is the sound. Teacher is asking you, what letter is this? Letter? Letter? I. Very good. So letter I. Okay, trace the letters.
Oh, teacher.
Yeah. It's there. Continue. Okay, please continue.
No. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F.
Come on, you trace. Trace the letters. Okay, very good. How about small letter H? The small letter H.
No.
Come on. Make it fast, G. Make it fast. Yes, very good. Okay, very good. How about number 2?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Letter I. Okay. How about number 3, letter J?
Big tree.
Yeah, big J.
Okay.
Okay, very. Huh?
No.
No. Okay. No, no. Come on. Fast. Make it fast.
Teacher.
Yeah, okay. Very good. Okay. What letter is this, Chi? What letter?
H.
Letter H. How about number 2? What letter? Letter
I.
I. How about number 3?
J.
Okay, so very good. Good job,
A,
Chi.
B, C, D, E, F, G, S, I, J, K, L. Teacher.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
A,
What's that?
B, C.
Okay, letter C. Come on. Letter C. Look
Look
and
and find.
yeah, so you are going to look and find.
Five.
Okay, find the
Hat.
and yeah. Put a
Hat.
circle. Put a
Hat.
circle. Yeah. Put a circle.
Circle.
Yeah. Yeah. Put a circle just like this. You put a circle.
Circle. Hat.
Hat. Yeah. Yeah.
No, 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 no. No. No, no, no. Circle. Yes.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Very good. How about jam? Jam.
I now see a jam.
You can't see. Okay.
No.
Wait.
Yes.
Okay. Try it again.
Oh, it's hat. Oh, no, no, no. Tram. Teacher.
It's smaller. Okay. Okay. That one, she. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Very good. How about igloo?
My hat.
Okay.
Hat. And tram. It's a hat.
Yeah. Okay, that is jam. Hat.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay. Try it again. Try it again.
I don't know a hat and tram. Okay.
How about igloo? Igloo.
Igloo. Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, good job,
House.
Chi. Very good. So
House.
this one, hat, jam, and what's this one here? What is this? This one?
Igloo.
Igloo. Okay, yes, very good. Igloo.
House.
Yeah,
Hat.
yeah. Jam, jam.
It's a desk. No, a desk. It's table.
Huh?
Table.
Table.
Two hats.
Yeah, so this one here, there are two hats. Okay, two hats. How about this one? What's this?
House.
House. Very good. And this one is
Hat.
cat. Okay, very good. How about this? What is this?
Chair.
Chair. Very good. And this one?
Table.
Yes, table. How about this one here?
Bed.
Bed. Yes, very good. Wow. Very good. Okay, good job, Chi. Okay, you did well.
Teacher.
Yes. Okay, so we are going to make the letters H, I, and J. Okay, number one, letter H. How to make this one? H. Okay, small H, the small one.
H.
Yeah, big H.
H.
Yes, letter I. Big I.
Big I. Small I.
Yes, very good. Number three.
Big J. Small J.
Very good. Good job, Chi. Wow, very good. Okay,
Teacher.
yeah. Yes.
Hey. Emma, Danny, Julie, Mike.
Yes. What else? So what do
Pencil, pen, marker, crayon.
Yes, very good.
Popcorn.
Co-
No.
Toys, toy.
Paper.
Paper. Scissors.
Balloon.
Balloon. Glue. Yeah, glue. And paint.
Paint.
How about toys? Toys.
A toy. Yes. Car. Train. Boat.
Jet. Boat.
Boat.
And car, jet, boat,
Boat. Train.
ball, balloons.
Balloon. Hey,
Yeah.
it's a jam. Boat. Jet.
Yes.
Car.
Yeah. How about colors?
Bomb. Dog. Yo-yo.
Yes, yo-yo. Very good. Colors, colors.
Yo-yo.
Yes, yo-yo, balloon, car, ball.
Yo-yo.
Yes, yo-yo.
Dog.
Huh?
Blue. Dog.
Weird colors now. Yeah. How about
Yo-yo.
Yes, very good. How about colors? Colors. Orange,
Apple. No. Red.
red,
Blue.
yellow,
Yellow.
green,
Green.
orange,
Orange. Purple. Brown.
pink,
Pink. Teacher.
brown. Okay, pink and brown.
C, D, E, F, S,
G, H, I.
Okay. A B C C A B C
D,
A B C D E F G S I J
J,
K
K,
L
L,
M N
N,
O
O,
P
P,
Q
Q,
R
R,
S T U V W X Y Z. Yeah, for that. X Y Z.
Yes, very good. So what did we learn tonight, Chi? What did we learn tonight? We learned about letters. What letters? Letters
H
H,
J
J, and I. Okay, so
Tisha.
yeah, yes.
It's
Okay, what is it, Chi?
is what? Oh.
Okay.
See, what is this?
What is this? It's a
Caesar.
yes, it's a scissors. Okay, say how are you?
Yes. Hello and goodbye.
How are you?
Bird and boy.
Yeah. How about how are you?
Hello. No. Hi.
How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
How are you? I'm fine. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, very good. Okay, good job for tonight, Chi, okay? Good
Yeah.
job for tonight. Okay, teacher will give you this one. I will give you
What
this
is
one.
this?
What is this? It's an ice cream. An ice cream.
Hmm.
Do you like ice cream? You don't like?
I like very much.
You like it very much? Okay, good job
Tisha.
tonight, Chi. Yeah. Yeah, what is it?
It's a teacher Adam.
What's my name? What is my name? Teacher? Teacher?
Teacher.
Ah, you forgot my name? I'm sad.
Jenny.
Yes, okay, teacher Jenny, okay? So don't forget teacher's name. Okay, Chi? Okay, good job for tonight, Chi, okay? You did well tonight, okay? Very good, okay? Teacher will say bye-bye. See you on Thursday. Bye, Chi. Yeah.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.